G'day appetizers and welcome back. I hope you're well. This is the final part of the kitchen rebuild. We are done. So as you can see, the fridge is no longer in that corner. It is there where it's supposed to be. It did cost us though. So we're all in. Oven's now in a useful place of the kitchen and not randomly behind a wall. Washing up shot, gotta have that in you. And now we're good. We got some new chairs, which match the decor. It's beautiful. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank everybody for the support on this series so far. It has been fantastic. If you haven't already, please give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell to keep up to date with all videos coming to the channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for the support. It's been fantastic. I hope to see you again next week when we are cooking again in this new kitchen. All I need to say now is don't forget to feed your appetite, watch one of the videos here or here, and subscribe down there. Cheers guys, and I hope you have a great day.